Do you ever reach the end of the month and wonder, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Spending is the one part of personal finance we all do every day, but most people never stop to manage it. Today, let's break down how to spend smartly, avoid waste, and still enjoy life. What is spending? Spending is simply how you use your money to pay for goods and services, your bills, groceries, rent, shopping, even entertainment. But here's the problem. Most people spend unconsciously. They swipe their card, tap their phone, or buy online without tracking. Needs versus wants. The first step in controlling spending is understanding the difference between needs and wants. Needs are essential: food, housing, utilities, transport. Wants are extras: designer clothes, luxury gadgets, dining out every weekend. Neither is bad, but confusing them can destroy your budget. Spending traps. Marketers are experts at making you spend more than you need. Common traps include flash sales, 70% off, makes you buy what you don't need. Subscriptions, $25 a month sounds small, but 10 subscriptions, $250. Lifestyle creep. As income grows, expenses grow even faster. If you're not careful, these little leaks drain your money bucket. Frameworks to control spending. 8. 50-30-20 rule. One simple method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. B. Envelope or jar system. Old school but effective. You divide your cash into different envelopes: rent, groceries, transport, entertainment. Once an envelope is empty, no more spending in that category. C. Track and review. Use apps or simple Excel sheets to track spending. Even writing down daily expenses can shock you into awareness. Practical example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. If you don't track your spending, you might blow $1,000 on food deliveries and $800 on impulse shopping, leaving almost nothing to save. But if you apply the 50-30-20 rule, $1,500 for needs, like rent, groceries, bills, $900 for wants, entertainment, dining out, travel, $600 for saving or investing. Suddenly, you're still enjoying life but also building real financial security. Mindset shift. Smart spending doesn't mean being cheap. It means prioritizing what matters. If a fancy coffee makes your morning better, keep it, but cut back on things you don't value. Money should give you freedom, not guilt. So always ask yourself, does this expense add value to my life? If not, it's a waste. Conclusion. So remember, spending is the easiest way to lose control of your finances, but also the easiest to fix. Next time you spend, think, is it a need or a want? Does it fit my budget? If yes, enjoy it guilt-free. If not, skip it. In our next video, we've learned how to earn, save, and spend. Now it's time to make your money work for you. In our next video, we'll dive into investing, how to grow your wealth through simple, smart strategies anyone can start with. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone who always asks, where did my money go? Hey, before you go, your financial journey doesn't stop here. Click on any of the videos on your screen to continue mastering personal finance. Each one will help you build the next step of your financial foundation. See you there.